Now I want to cover the basics of working with indices and what they mean. As you can see here, this says 6 to the power of 2. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means 6 times 6. Yeah, straightforward, 36. What about this one, 6 to the power of 3? Well, this means 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. What about this one, 6 to the power of 4? Well, that means 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which is 1296. Do you understand that? The indices there, that's telling you how many times you multiply it by itself. That's the basic power law. But what happens if you see this? 6 to the power of minus 2. Well, what this has been inverted. It's been flipped over. What 6 to the power of minus 2 really means is, that is 1 divided by 6 squared. So if I make 1 divided by 6, if I flip it over and invert it, it makes it 6 to the power of minus 2. Do you understand? They've inverted it, they've turned it over from a fraction into a whole number. So if it says to the power of minus 2, it means 1 divided by 6 to the power of 2. And what does that equal? Well, that equals 1 divided by 6 to the power of 1 divided by 6 times 6, which is a 1 over 36. What about this one here? 4 divided by 4 to the power of minus 3. Well, that means, flip it back over, 4 to the power of minus 3 means 1 to the power of 4, it's a quarter, cubed. So all that means is 1 divided by 4 times 4 times 4, which can be rewritten as this, which is 1 divided by 64. That's how it works. Right, determine these then. Let's have a look at determining these. 4 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by 2.5 to the power of 3. The first thing to do, because there's a minus number there, is invert it. 4 to the power of minus 2, flip it over, gives you a quarter squared, which is 1 divided by 4 times 4. Multiply it out, it gives you this. 1 divided by 16, which, if you divide it out, is 0.0625. Change it back from a fraction to a decimal, times 15.625. Multiplying it out gives you 0.9766.